Hi, explorers! Welcome to Curious Kids Academy. Have you ever felt the wind on your face? It's like an invisible hand pushing and swirling all around us. Wind is just air in motion. It can be a gentle breeze or a mighty gust. Wind travels all over the earth. Can you blow these fun bubbles? Wow, you just made wind! Isn't that amazing? Wind can be so much fun. Fly a kite on a windy day and see how high it soars. The wind helps it dance in the sky. But wind isn't just about playing. It's a powerful force of nature that shapes our planet. How does wind do that, you ask? Well, let's find out! Imagine a giant desert with mountains of sand called dunes. The wind is an artist, and the sand dunes are its sculptures. The wind blows the sand grain by grain. Slowly it pushes the sand into hills and curves. Have you ever seen a rock that looks like an archway? That's the wind's work too. Over many years, the wind blows sand against rocks. The sand acts like sandpaper, slowly wearing away the rock. This creates amazing shapes like arches and bridges. Isn't wind amazing? Let's see what water can do. Water is everywhere. It's in the oceans, rivers, lakes, and even rain. Water is always on the move, just like us. It travels in a big cycle, from the earth to the sky and back again. Have you ever seen a river flowing? It's like a giant water slide. Rivers are formed by rainwater or melting snow. The water flows downhill, carving paths through the land. Rivers are like nature's highways, carrying water and life across the land. Water is powerful. Just like wind shapes sand, water shapes rocks. Imagine a rushing river crashing against a mountain. Over time, the water wears away the rock, little by little. This creates deep valleys and canyons, some so grand they take your breath away. Even a tiny drop of water can make a difference. Think about when it rains. Each raindrop carries a little bit of soil away. Over time, this can carve out hills and change the shape of the land. How we use wind and water. We use wind for sailing. Wind fills the sails and helps boats glide across lakes, rivers, and oceans. We also use wind to generate electricity. Giant wind turbines spin in the breeze to create clean energy for towns and cities. We use the wind to fly colorful kites, soar paragliders, and even help birds travel long distances. Now we will talk about how we use water for energy. Fast rivers and big dams make hydroelectricity, giving us clean power for lights, computers, and even ice cream machines. We use water for travel. Boats, ferries, and ships use water to carry people, cars, and even giant containers across oceans. Farmers use water from rivers, lakes, and special canals to water their fields and grow food like corn, wheat, and strawberries. We use water every day for drinking, cooking, washing dishes, and taking baths. We also water for fun. We love to swim, splash, slide at water parks, go kayaking, ride water slides at the pool. Wind and water help animals too. Wind spreads seeds so new plants can grow. And rivers give fish, frogs, and beavers a place to live. We need to protect our air and water so we can keep enjoying their amazing powers. Whoa! It is time to test your knowledge and learn some fun facts. Did you know one wind turbine can power 1,000 homes? The wind in a tornado can blow over 250 miles per hour. That's faster than a race car. Winds on planet Neptune blow over 1,200 miles per hour. That's nearly as fast as a fighter jet zooming by. Strong winds can carry desert dust across entire oceans. Dust from the Sahara Desert can blow all the way to the Amazon rainforest. Unlike most things, ice floats on water instead of sinking. If ice sank, our lakes and oceans might freeze solid. Brr! Wow! Some of Earth's water may have come from space. Icy comets crashed into Earth long ago, delivering water from outer space like a cosmic sprinkler. Did you know that your body is mostly water, about 60%? And even foods like tomatoes are almost all water. They're 90% water. We're basically walking water balloons. Wind and water are everywhere. The next time you go outside, pay attention to the wind and water around you. Can you feel the wind blowing? Do you see puddles from the rain? Or maybe you're near a river or the ocean. Wind and water are always at work, shaping our world in big ways and small. Section 9. What did we learn today? Today, we learned that wind and water are powerful forces of nature. Wind can move sand to make dunes and carve rocks into amazing shapes. Water carves canyons, forms rivers, and even shapes our coastlines. Remember to look for signs of wind and water's work the next time you're outdoors. You'll be amazed by what you discover.